I'll turn it off. This is a microscope that came with the supply. I just installed it and test run it. It's working perfectly. I've been able to view an organism under the microscope. Hello audience, this is Zoologist Allan Ibrahim Alpha. Today I'll be carrying out a simple microscopic investigation using the monocular microscope. Though it's electrically empowered, we have the light microscope, but this one is electrically empowered. So I have different slides. We call these ones permanent slides. Like here, I have histology animal cell. Then I have quite a lot of them for both plants and animal cell. Of course, we know that microscopy helps us to view organisms that are not seen with the bare or the naked eye. So permanent slides help us to make a sample or smear of these organisms where we collect a sample of plants and animal cells. Then we also have wet mounts where we use freshly collected water, blood samples, sputum, stool sample, and so on to make wet mounts on slides and we view under the microscope. So the microscope has different parts, of course. We have the microscope stage. I can move it sideways, as you can see. I move it forward and backward, just to make sure I have a general overview of what I'm investigating under the microscope. Then we have the coarse adjustment knob here. Help me for coarse adjustment. Then when I need to fine tune it to come into full view, I use the fine adjustment knob. So right now I'm viewing under the microscope an animal cell. It is whole mount, WM. So you can see this is a permanent slide. I place it like this, then make sure it's set. Then I move my objective lens. I'll be using the ×4 objective here. So I move it in position and it makes a clicking sound like this. So this is a ×4 objective. That's where I start from. Then I begin to move the stage sideways. Then start with the coarse adjustment knob to bring it up and down. After I do that, then I move the fine adjustment knob. Unfortunately, you cannot see what I'm viewing because the camera does not have the ability to capture what is here. But I'm going to be explaining how this thing is done. And as soon as I get a focus, then I would just stop the investigation and do my observation. So here I'm going gradually until I get a focus. So moving it upwards, then get a view, use the fine adjustment knob as I'm doing right now. So the fine adjustment, as the name implies, will help me give a clearer view of the organism.